Struggling to get professional product photos without expensive gear or a studio? What if I told you AI can do it all for you, flawlessly, in seconds? In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning, high-quality product photography using AI, with zero design skills required. Let's dive in. You may find various AI tools to generate amazing product photography images. However, I am going to introduce a new gem called Photio AI that allows you to create unlimited product photos without any copyright worries. Simply type about your product, and the AI will generate the background for you. You can even drop an image to generate a professional product image and erase or replace anything to make the image perfect. To access Photio AI, simply visit photio.io or click on the link given in the description box. Once you are on this page, click on Sign Up/Login and then create an account. Photio AI offers you unlimited free generation and HD resolution for free. However, if you want to use it professionally, then you should go with a premium plan where you can generate 2K resolution images, remove the watermark, AI customization, and more features. Alright, this is the Photio AI dashboard. Here you can notice all the tools, and at the bottom, you will find some sample backgrounds. You can take inspiration from here. Okay, let's start our journey with Photio AI. Simply click on the Get Started with My Product button from here. We have got the image suggestion here. You should upload a clean product image. So, click here and then upload the product background. I am uploading this image. Once the image is uploaded, it will remove the existing background from the image. Here it is. You can see the background has been removed from the image. Okay. Now you will find several tools under the image. You can see that it automatically detects the product. It helps to create a perfect composition. If you find it wrong, you can choose from the product library. Next, the composition. With this tool, you can customize the composition of the product. Simply drag this slider and set the composition. Next time, I will generate an image in this composition. After composition, we have the Retouch tool. If you find your product image needs to be customized, then use this tool. Actually, you can erase or restore the original background of the product with this tool. In the end, you have the filter option. You will find several filters for various purposes. You can see that when I select any filter, the color and environment of the image change. This is amazing. If you want to customize the filter manually, come to the Adjust option. Here you can adjust the brightness, contrast, shadows, highlights, exposure, temperature, sharpness, and saturation manually. Give proper time to get the best result. Now, to create a professional level background, we must come to this chatbot. Here you will get some suggestions. You can proceed with anyone from here. However, you can type anything to generate in this prompt box. For example, I am typing, "A sneaker is on a boulder, in a rock mountain, golden hours, clear sky, highly detailed," and then hit the Enter button. The chatbot has started its work. It will take some time to generate the images. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. You can see the image has been generated. And look at the quality of the image. It's just amazing. However, if you are not satisfied with the result or want another variant, you can ask again to generate. This time, I'm going to create a running track background. After waiting some time, I got this result. This is just amazing. So now you can create any kind of background for your product with just a text prompt. Now, if you think your image needs some customization, you can do it. First of all, imagine I want to add a bird in this sky area. Simply select the background area and then select the Erase or Replace tool from here. After selecting the tool, we have to select the area we want to erase or replace with the Brush tool. You can customize the brush size from here. After selecting the area, if you want to erase the area, simply click on the Erase Marked Areas button. And if you want to replace it with another object, come to the Replace tab from here. Mention the object in the prompt box, and then hit the Replace to Marked Areas button. And here it is. You can see the object has been replaced. This is amazing. Now, if you want to customize the color or add a filter, then come to the Filter option from here. We talked about the filter option in the product. Both filters have the same function. You will find several filters for various purposes. Okay, our next customization feature is the 3D filter. With this tool, you can blur or sharpen any part of the image. Okay, now if you want to add any props, go to the Props section. There, you will find a vast library of props. Using these props will make our design more captivating and interesting. Always give proper time to get a better result. If you want to add a new product image, you can do it with the Product Upload tool. Once your final design is ready, simply click on the Download button to download the image. Alright, now if you are out of ideas and need some references to create a perfect product image, then come to the home page and then select the Generate Background tool from here. Now upload the product image. Once the image is uploaded, set the product type and then the composition. If the image background isn't removed properly, you can use the Retouch feature from here. Once the product image is ready, hit the Apply button. On the next page, you will find a vast number of product image references of the selected product. You can simply choose anyone from here. After selecting the image, click on the Generate button from here and then wait some time. And here it is, the image has been generated. And look at the quality. It's amazing. In this method, you can create amazing product images from reference. Now, like before, you can customize the image as per your need. Alright, if your design needs to expand, you can use the Expand feature here. After selecting the tool, upload the product image. Once the image is uploaded, set the ratio here. After that, adjust the image position. Once everything is set, hit the Expand button. And here it is, the image is ready. In this method, you can remove the background from any image with the Remove Background tool and turn your blurry image into a sharp image using the Sharp Image tool. In conclusion, Photio AI can be the best tool to create a professional product image. It will save time and money for product photographers or marketers. If you are one of them, then you should try this tool. As you can try the tool for free, you should try it. The link will be in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching.